and welcome back to Cageland. I hope you guys are having a great and fabulous day. So let me get some lights on in here. Okay, that's a little bit better. Jacob and I just took Noah to school, and we just made it back in the house. I was supposed to take spin class at 9:15, but I didn't make it. I was talking to Babe this morning, and he just kind of just held me up this morning. You know what I mean? You know how people hold you up. Last night I was decorating the tree, and then the kids got involved with helping me decorate the tree, and it just kind of went like, I told y'all like I was gonna try to fix it, but this morning I got up and I added this bow to the tree, and I really like the bow. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in and add more of those red these red flowers, and then I really liked how the bow turned out. So yeah, I just need to fix the ribbon. Like some of the ribbon, when they was putting the ornaments on, they was kind of knocking my ribbon off and stuff. So I need to fix the ribbon and just kind of clean up in here. Like I still have all this mess all over the place, and I really want to mop the floors because you know, with Christmas stuff, it's just glitter everywhere. So I'm gonna show y'all how I did I'm gonna fix the Christmas tree. I need to edit. I need to do Jacob's schooling because during the week, that is what I focus on. I focus on him learning because he is home. I want him to have an advantage when he goes to school. So he'll already know like his ABCs, and he'll be able to count. I want him to be able to write. So yeah, I actually would, if I could teach my 3-year-old to read, that is like the ultimate goal. So yes, buddy. You want some bacon? I don't have bacon. It's in the freezer. You want sausage though? I'll make you sausage. Let's go ahead and
you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year, when the Christmas spirit's all over town. Gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come. He'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds.
Subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate it, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to do that before you leave. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today. Let me know what you thought about the wreath. I thought it was great. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
When the Christmas spirit